Hello everyone. I'm talking to you today about expanding your ice block business beyond just ice blocks. Expanding your ice block business beyond just ice block. Welcome back to Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV. If you are in the ice block business and you are looking to expand beyond just selling ice blocks, you are in the right place. Today, we'll explore exciting ways to grow your business, such as offering ice making accessories and delivery services. Let's dive into these opportunities and see how they can help you scale your business. Expanding your ice block business can open up new revenue streams and attract a broader customer base. While selling ice blocks is the core of your business, there are several ways to diversify and enhance your offerings. Let's look at some potential expansion ideas that can take your business to the next level. I have made more than 20 videos on the ice block business in Nigeria. Check the ice block playlist. Check the ice block business playlist on this my channel. If you have any question or anything you want to do or you want me to do for you regarding the success of this ice block business of yours, all you need to do is to request it in the comment section of this video, and I will schedule a WhatsApp call to explain it some potential expansion ideas that can take your business to the next level. I have made more than 20 videos on the ice block business. Please be patient with me for a few minutes as we talk about alternative revenue or expanding your ice block business. My name is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun and this is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV. If you are a first timer on this channel, welcome and please subscribe and share this video. Old timers, you know me when it comes to ice block and other businesses, and I thank you again and again. Number one thing you need to do when you want to expand your ice block business is selling ice block accessory. Selling of ice block making accessories. One effective way to expand your ice block business is by selling ice block making accessories. This can include items such as ice coolers and ice chests, essential for customers who need to transport ice blocks. I am a researcher and I'm a microbiologist, and many times you need ice block to preserve cultures, to preserve organisms, or to preserve your sample. Now we go to where we want to buy the ice block from. We get the ice block. Okay, what are we going to put it inside? So we have to go somewhere else to get the cooler that you're going to put the ice block and the sample in. So if you have an eye for this business, then by the side you'll be selling coolers, big, small, and some other shape of cooler just by the side, so that when such people come to you, they will get the ice block and they will get the cooler, so that they can put their sample and they can put the ice block inside the cooler and then they move. So you make money from the sale of the ice block. You also make money from the sale of the cooler. This also applies to other people, even those who have events, those who have weddings. They come to you to buy ice block, then they just go like that. If they can get cooler that they can put the ice block in, at least before they get to where they are going, it will not defrost. And then they can also use that cooler to cool their drinks. So this is one way. Ice coolers and ice chests are the things you can sell in addition to your ice block. Another thing is ice bags and packaging materials. This is necessary for customers to store and transport ice. I've spoken about this. So you can get ice bags and packaging materials that can be used for transporting. Now, we started offering ice making accessories alongside our ice block business. This is an example from one of my clients that I've coached. I've taken this person through a private coach, and this person have this to say. So they started offering ice making accessories along their ice blocks, and it's been a game changer for them. According to this individual, customers appreciate the convenience of buying everything they need in one place, and it's increased their revenue significantly. So by providing these accessories, you not only increase your product range, but also position yourself as a one-stop sure for all ice related needs. Now, number two way is by offering delivery services. Another promising expansion is offering delivery services. Don't always have your shop and say they must come to your shop. What about you going out to deliver to them? What about you taking out the ice block to them where they are? So this is another thing. So you offer delivery services for the ice block and for the ice block accessories. Many customers value convenience and would prefer having ice blocks delivered directly to their doorstep. I'm telling you, the major place where I used to sell ice block was on the campus when I made started the business in full. And then other people are selling close by, just like about 5 minutes walk. But these people selling, they prefer that you just bring it to them. You bring it to them and carry it from your car and drop it just at their doorstep. They prefer that. So they prefer to call you. They do not want to stand up and start going. They do not want to send some of their children to, or one of their people that are working for them to go. Because that time that person will go and buy, that person will have used it for another work in the shop to attend to a customer or to turn buns or to wash something or to do something. So they prefer that you deliver it to them. So offer delivery. And it's how to implement the effective delivery service. So in effective delivery service, you have to invest in reliable vehicles. Ensure you have well-maintained trucks or vans to handle deliveries. There are some villages and you are the only one sending ice block in that area where you are. And then when they want to buy, they say, there's ice block, oh, but you have to go travel. You know, who have vehicle? Who have vehicle? If they can't get anybody to use a vehicle, you now go to the road. You take them time. But if they can call you, and they said they call you, they have vehicles, they will bring it. But it's expensive, they will charge you for that. The person will be willing to pay. Then you talk on the phone, you agree, you can ask them to send half of the money, or when you arrive, you take your money and then you move on. So you can also hire and train delivery personnel. Employ staff who can manage deliveries effectively, efficiently, and represent your business well. Then implement an online delivery system. Allow customers to place orders online for easy and quick processing. The world today has gone online. So you have a system where people can make orders online and they can do business with you online. I ordered for food from a company while I was doing the naming ceremony of my last son. Because in the process of his birth, he was taken to the intensive care unit, which is called NICU, in neonatal intensive care unit. So he was there for some time. Eventually, after 3 months, he came out. So I've spent a lot of money when he was in that intensive care unit. I was going and coming. The mother was there. I was going and coming and doing other things. So I was not ready for a big naming ceremony. So I just invited a few people, 10 to 15. And I was not ready to cook any food. The moment you start cooking, they see you are cooking, people come to cook for you, neighbors, everybody will gather. So we didn't do all that. I just ordered for food from an eatery called Item 7. And then in Ilorin, and they delivered the food. Then I bought drinks. So I took the food, one pack per person, put some drinks in it, and handed the nylon to each individual, and they move on. So they brought the food. In fact, we were already naming ceremony was going on when the food arrived and they knocked at the door, and I went to receive the food. So initially it was I thought, these people we did not cook rice with plantain with chicken. So that is the power of delivery service. It makes the problem of you cooking and going through all those things to go to leave you. Then you need in this sense, I have an individual who I've coached on a private level, and he is a delivery manager, and he has this to say about this point I've made about delivery. He wrote me and said, our delivery service has been a huge success. It's convenient for our customer and helps us reach more people who might not visit our location. So these are part of the people I coach privately and I train privately on setting up this business and expanding it. So offering delivery services can significantly boost your customer base and ensure timely fulfillment of orders, especially during peak seasons. Number three way to expand and to grow your ice block business is by providing ice block machine rentals. So you can rent out ice block machine. If you have additional ice block machines or a large inventory, consider renting them out. Many businesses or events may need temporary ice block production capabilities. Now, you can also rent ice block machine if you have the potential. You have more than one, then you make available that okay, anyone who want to rent. Now, people know that this business there's money in it. Somebody wants to go into the business but have no machine, has no capital. Then they can rent from you. So they rent from you and then you take back 40% of whatever they make by calculation. Or you take back 30% over a particular time. Every month you give me 30%. The capacity of this is how, based on the capacity of the machine, this is how much it will make. Based on that, you calculate how much you get daily or weekly or monthly. And then you sign the agreement. Make sure you have a legal framework for your business. I've done that video about that. Make sure you have a legal framework to know if the machine gets spoiled, who will repair it. To know if the machine gets spoiled and production is not going on, who is going to be paying for the daily stay that the machine is with you. Is it the person who is to repair it or the person have to wait until you repair it? Okay, if you don't, how many days stay before repair? Are you willing to stay before they repair the machine? All these things have to be put in place. I was somewhere and I went to do some work for somebody outside of the country, and I saw a building under construction. It was a student hostel. So the company that they gave the building to, the agreement was that it's going to complete the building in, let's say, July. The company did not, if they don't complete the building in July, because the students will resume in August or September. If the building is not delivered in July, they will count, that's inside of the agreement, they will count the number of rooms and how much they wanted to give out the rooms. The contractor or the builders that collected the contract will pay for the rooms or for the period that the building is still under construction. So you can see that will fast track, and that is why they don't fail. Even if you give them a particular date, 30th of July, they will deliver the building by 20th of July. Because they know that after 30th of July, 31st of July, they have to pay for the whole rooms. That's the cost of the renter. So they don't want to pay for the cost of the renter, they deliver the building. So you have all this in the clause. If the individual you want to do business with are not willing to sign those agreements, then keep your machine to yourself and be looking at your machine. So renting out ice block machines has opened up a new revenue stream for many people. It's a great way to utilize extra machines and serve customers who need an ice on a short-term basis. This not only helps you maximize the use of your equipment, but also attracts customers who might eventually become regular clients. Number 4 way to expand your ice block business is to introduce loyalty programs. Another way to expand your business is by introducing loyalty programs. That is, you reward your regular customers with discounts or free ice blocks after a certain number of purchases. You do it in such a way that if you purchase ice block from us 15 times in a month, we are going to give you ice block equivalent ice block that normally you buy 5 pieces, 10 pieces, 20 pieces. If you buy 15 days regularly without fail, we are going to give you ice block, the quantity you to take daily. We're going to give you that quantity as for free. Once after 15 days, we give you that quantity once for free. If somebody is buying haphazardly, you can calculate in a month. If you buy a certain number 10 times in a month, you're going to get 50% rebate for the next buy. So this is going to encourage your customers. So based on this, I interviewed some customers, and one customer said this. He said, I love the loyalty program. It encourages me to buy more frequently, knowing I'll get rewarded for it. Now, it is important to know that loyalty programs can increase customer retention and drive repeat business, helping you build a loyal customer base. This is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV. If you are a first timer on this channel, I welcome you and please subscribe and share this video. Old timers, you are my greatest people. I thank you again and again. Now, number fifth way to expand your ice block business is by exploring new market segments. Finally, consider exploring new market segments. This could include targeting different types of businesses such as restaurants and hotels. They often require large quantities of ice block for their operations. So you contact restaurants and hotels. I've done a video when I started how I went to these restaurants and hotels and it did not work. It didn't work. But you may be lucky in your own case. They may have large people. I went to events and catering catering services. Special events and catering services need ice for keeping food and drinks cool. You can reach out to these people. The best way I did mine was to reach out to car parks, major car parks in the town. And there are some segments of the town that don't used to have light often. Now I expect you to use solar to power your ice block business. I will leave the details of the solar person. If you ask me for details of a recognized solar person that can help you to get ice block machine, different type of ice block machine, different types of solar, if you ask me in the comment section below, I will leave the link to the person you are going to contact to help you to do your solar and to help you to make your ice block machine or to sell the ice block machine to you if you don't have one already. So you reach out to restaurants and hotels, reach out to events and catering services people. Yes, you can get sales from those people. But the issue is that those people also have their own ice block facility. Now you reach out to restaurants and hotels. Depending on how large the restaurant and hotel is, a good restaurant and a good hotel should have power supply. So if the hotel or the restaurant have power supply or regularly, because it's a hotel, customers will not lodge in a hotel that does not have light. Customers will not go to a restaurant that does not have light. So they have light. So they put on their freezer or whatever because they have on their mechanical gen or whatever kind of gen that they have. Now, based on that, their cooling system is in good shape. Now, these people also can be reached based on the kind of events that they have. Maybe the events they have, their own cooling system, ice block or whatever cannot take it. So they have to reach out. So in reaching out, they can reach out to you and buy from you. But my best bet is to go to car parks. Look for areas where their light is having problem. Then target that place and be pushing your ice block to that place daily to be buying from you. Usually in that kind of place, there'll be somebody who is like a retailer. The person will buy wholesale from you and the person have a shop will retail to the people there. So they know that person. So you just reach out to that person. Sometimes the person may even be coming looking for you. And I know in areas you reach out to markets. People go to markets to buy things. After working to buy this, to buy that, they need to drink something cool. So they buy cool things. So those guys selling and carrying on their head or having a shop or thereabout, they have somebody close by that retail ice blocks. So look for such people and supply them ice block and they are going to buy from you. Most times, these people are going to pursue you. So another kind of people you can reach out to are restaurant owners and then you partner with the restaurant owner. So by diversifying your target market, you can reach a wider audience and create additional revenue streams for your ice block business. Expanding your ice block business involves more than just selling ice. By adding ice making accessories, offering delivery services, renting out equipment, introducing loyalty program and exploring new market segments, you can enhance your business and boost profitability. Thanks for watching Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful business tips and strategies. I'm going to see you in the next video. This video that is popping up by the side is the next you need to see. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.